soul is lonely, sad and blue. Ain't got no loving shoulders to lean on. There's always a sunny side across the river. Take a ride, take a swim, and all your worries go away. Go cross the river and you'll be fine. Go counting winners, it's right down the line. You'll be alright on the sunny side.
We are now here at the Prospect Point. This is the bordered inlet here in Stanley Park. So they call this the Prospect Point, this place. Now that water over there is the bordered inlet. If you go straight from here to there, then you can just access the Pacific Ocean. So this is most of the shipping that is going to the Vancouver port area is passing through this narrow strait. So this is the Lions Gate that is connecting North Vancouver to here, to Stanley Point. This is the mainland, this is the Stanley Point, and then to Vancouver. So this bridge was built in 1937. This is as old as the Golden Bridge of California, the famous Golden Bridge at California. So this is how it looks like over here. So one way to make your gadgets review more interesting is to go to a site like this, or a very nice place, and then you can do your review. So what happened is, what you're doing here is doing the review and at the same time showing the viewers this nice scenery. So in here, I'm holding this Olansi mini tripod. So what I'm going to do is, I already done a basic review on this on my previous videos. So you can go back to my previous video and see a more detailed review of this Olansi tripod. Right now what I'm going to do is to show you how it's going to be used with when I'm going to use a camera with this one. So same thing, this is a standard this one is flexible. It's a spring-loaded holder. So you can pretty much install any kind of cell phone. So I'm using this is a Samsung 8 Plus. So pretty much that's it. Easy to install. It's very light. So this tripod is capable of holding 1.2 kilograms, and this cell phone is about just more than 100 grams. So pretty much this mini tripod is capable of holding that to this kind of load. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to install more cameras in here. You can see there's a shoe in here that I can use to install a GoPro. Hold it like that. Now I now have a cell phone and a GoPro. The reason why I did not remove this cell phone is because if I'm going to remove this, there's no way I can there's no way to stabilize this hinge over here. So this one will flop like that. The hinge here is just ordinary. There's no way you can tighten it. So the only way I can use this one is to put something in here to hold, to stabilize it. So that's it. Now you can do your vlogging. It's very nice. This GoPro is about 300 grams, so it's very light. And plus this 100 gram cell phone is only 400 grams. So pretty much this Olansi tripod can still hold the load. So that's how it looks like. It's very nice. This is one of the best way to review a gadgets, is that you are going to incorporate the background or the surroundings together with the gadgets that you are trying to review. What happens is this makes it a little bit more dramatic, and it will add to the interest of the video as compared when you are just reviewing the gadgets at home. Then it's a little bit bland because most people are doing it, but if you are going to do it totally different like what I'm doing right now, it makes your video more interesting. As you can see, in addition to the for the viewers looking at these gadgets, they can also see the surroundings. Show them the surroundings around alongside the gadgets that you are trying to review, and put it on some places that it will make it to highlight the gadgets like that.